So I saw a thing online the other day where they were debating about weddings and speeches. Hi again, this is Bill Herman with Creative License. Another Monday, so another show. And what they were talking about was that they were told by the client that if, like, the best man or the dad speeches are going too long, that they should be cutting them off. So they were trying to figure out if they would use some music, like for the Academy Award, what music to use and how to do that, and if they should do that. And my goodness, I didn't really think this thread would go so long, but it's really long, and I think it's still going. And a lot of the topic was not as much the music you would use. Well, actually, it was like 50-50. The way you would cut them off was about 50-50, and the other 50 was, what are you doing? Why are you cutting them off? Who are we to cut off the guy with the microphone? We're the entertainment, we're the DJ. And even if the client wants you to cut them off, what you're doing is putting yourself in a bad light in front of the entire audience of people. That's your whole job before you begin, is to be the most likable person in the room. And before the dance begins, you become the unlikable guy because you chose to tell that guy that he's going too long. You can't get on the mic and say, well, it's not my fault. Dad told me to do that. Or the groom, well, he's the jerk, not me. No, that makes you look a certain way. And if perception is reality, the perception now is that you are not a likable guy. You are not nice. You're rude to the people who are the guests of honor. So they want you to do that. What do? How about say no? I've got clients on a regular basis. My dad will talk for hours if you don't cut him off. I'm like, well, you know something? I know you'd like to cut him off, but I think probably you should talk to him ahead of time. Talk to him weeks before, not me, you, my friend, the groom, and talk to your dad and say, hey, 1 minute in wedding speech time is an eternity. You should really keep that short, because I'm not the one that can get away with shutting off your father. Only you can. So I can't. It will not make me look good or you look good if I do it. So now you have to have a preemptive conversation with your parents, with those people who are going to do speeches. That conversation, when I started to have that conversation, no longer are they making me the bad guy. You should not be the bad guy at a wedding or at any event. You should be the greatest, most popular guy in the room. That's how you're popular. That's how you get people to dance. If they hate you, they will sit and not dance just to spite you. So why put yourself in that situation? That's my opinion. What's yours? You can certainly put some things down in the comments below, or email me at bill@billherman.com. Thanks again for being a good person to our sponsors, Electro Voice speakers, the Evolve 50s. They're amazing. I'm sure I've told you about that. And of course, the Entertainment Experience Workshops. You want to know more about it? I think I got one coming up pretty soon. So reach out. I'll tell you all about it. Until next time, see you. This is Bill, and this has been Creative License.